What you think, E? Yeah, mine's.
You tried.
Okay, right now we are down $12,000 trading silver with the same strategy that I've been trading silver. That makes sense. But what we're going to be doing is today I just brought a lot of studio gear. I've been buying a lot of studio gear for the studio and brought a new desk. We're going to hook that up at Studio A. So for those that don't know, I am Solo E. I am a trader, and by the grace of God and everything that happened in trading, mainly trading oil. I'm now tapping into something else, which is silver. So I'm mainly oil and silver. I'm able to have the freedom that I'm able to have, meaning like financial freedom and also time freedom. So I'm going to be building out a studio, starting back my music. That is the fucking whole entire reason why I got into trading, which is crazy. And yeah, I got a new single I'm dropping. We just did a TikTok campaign. We ran a TikTok campaign. We're also running a Spotify campaign, a YouTube campaign, and then we might do a radio campaign locally here in Chicago towards Q3. We're thinking for the single that I'm dropping. But let me just show you guys what we got going on. So right now, this is the temporary setup. We're going to be moving everything in my basement for this studio. But we just got, anybody here that knows what this is just a warm audio 1073. This is like a replica of the actual Neve 1073. We also have a Soil State Logic interface, which is actually really good. I just got a 2L. This is also by Warm Audio as well. Got one of the best mics that I personally love. This is the Latin Audio LT386. This is like the Gunner Young Thug microphone, but this microphone everybody records off of. Very fucking expensive microphone, but definitely worth it. But this is pretty much everything in this setup. I got new speakers coming as well. But all of this stuff is going downstairs, basically in my basement. So I just needed something temporary until I get like, I need to get a desk for downstairs. I need to get a lot of other shit for my basement setup. But we're going to be going over there now. I actually got some shit right here. So this right here is the, you know what is this? Let's actually see. Hold on. Got the legit one. Like the one you seen upstairs is like a replica of this one. Well, this is actually also a replica of Neve. Like Neve, they literally did a replica of their own. But this is just as good to it. So we got that. Let me flip the camera over. So we got that, right? So we got that. That's good. We got some cables. We also have another. This is for the other studio. And then I got a I have brought a microphone TLM 103, but we're gonna return this because I'm actually getting the U87 for the basement, and then I'm taking the Latin audio that we have upstairs to Studio A. So yeah, let me show you guys the basement real quick. I put these panels up here, acoustic panels up here. I'm keeping this all open, by the way, but I put acoustic panels. I am probably gonna put another one here, another one here, and then we're gonna have acoustic panels on the concrete wall, one there, and then we're gonna put one here and then one here, and then I'm gonna probably just honestly get like, I got it right here. I got like a very soundproof dampering cloth that I'm gonna just fucking hang up. I'm not gonna be here long. I'm actually moving and getting like a really good crib that I want. But we're just temporary and everything here. And then this is a desk I've been have for years, but I'm getting a new desk because this is not, I just outgrew this desk. And then yeah, we're just gonna deck it out as much as we can. Nothing too much, nothing too special. And just see how the shit looks. But that is ultimately it. Let's go to Studio A so I can show you guys what that looks like. All right, y'all, we made it to my location, and it looks like we are down in this trade 30K, bro. So I'm gonna close out this position because we're just literally way below what we should be. So I just closed out the position. As you see, it is what it is. So I'm gonna look for another setup. I'm gonna just go ahead and set up the studio. We don't win every fucking thing. It happens. I'm looking on silver to continue to go up. I honestly should have taken a smaller position and long it, because silver is still going to keep going up as well as gold. I just got in with a big lot for knowing that I scalp, and so my mindset was scalp, big lots, you know. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, and I got all of these boxes to fucking take in the studio.
We gon' get turned to the title. Big body outside. You get that freak in me. I can come and get the freak in you. I be riding and I'm peeping you. Don't get tempted, baby, I'm outside. I heard these freaks and they gon' ride. But you the only one by my side.
Right now, where we at with this trade? We're 5 minutes in. A nice setup. Kind of wish I didn't get out the trade, but I always gotta follow my rules. Regardless, if I don't follow my rules, then I'm probably just going to be doing the same shit I do all the time when I don't follow rules. So as you guys see, this is where we at right here. Look at that. We have an engulfing channel being created right now.
Okay, we gonna have
the
to
double
record
bottom.
a selfie video. Just hang up the phone on me
and then also
just when you get done.
we have a trend line happening as well. So once this candle closes,
just say
literally like 3 more minutes, we'll see where we at with it, y'all. Okay, so here's the update. Right now, we got the engulfing candle created. Probably can't really see it, but it's there. And we are literally a couple seconds in, so I'm gonna go ahead and buy it and do 2. So now we pretty much did 2 lots this time. Now we're in it. As y'all see how much I lost, it's gonna take a while to get him back, but let's just theoretically play this out real quick. Let's say that we hit TP1, which is this next high here. That's 27,000 right there. If we can go to that high, which I see that happening. Do I see it happening in this video? Probably not. And then the second trade, we're just going to take it to halfway there, which is going to be 14K. So seeing profits is definitely there. This was the trade I was initially looking for. I just got in a little earlier, but I'll keep you guys in the loop, let you know what's going on right now. Like I said, I'm here just about to build this shit out.
You in my head, come get it like yeah. You say come get it right now. Don't turn this one inside. Nobody cares. You say that you gon' swear. Who put this in the air? Then say who really dares. And tell me that you like it. Don't go switch up on me now. I need it myself. Yeah. Just by myself. I like the way you are. It's on my head, on my mind. You like nobody but nobody. Nobody but nobody. Nobody but nobody.
17 right now. Actually, we took profit on 1 trade, so this is the second trade. So the equity's at 101. Sorry, my hands is white because I'm fucking working. But we took the profit on that 1 trade, which got us to, I'm gonna move it to some profit. And if it goes against us, we made 2,000. That is how you trade risk-free. This is actually the time I'll trade silver too, which is super weird because a lot of people are like, why you traded this late? But the way that I traded, I'm not looking for extreme volume. I'm just looking for something steady and smooth, and that's why I traded at this time. The day is going to end with a profit of $23,000 actually. We're going to close it. let's close it. Did it close? Let's make sure we hit it. We closed it. And that being said, close positions today. Saying today we made 24K, but that is not true. This week I can only do today and this week. So this week we're basically 9K in profit after that loss, which we technically lost like 29K. To really be exact, literally 30K. But we made it back plus some fucking money. The beauty of silver, man. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much that. I am going to that might be my week, honestly. But we still got a couple more days. This vlog might continue on, and we'll see what we make for this week. So this week's been a successful week. We did I can't even remember what we did, but we made some money and we withdrew it. And now I'm about to go pick up my Audi. We wrapped it. So show you guys a surprise. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen a sneak peek. But we're gonna go ride. All right, y'all, we here. This is the spot. Go ahead, E. Yes, sir. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Damn, this looking nice.
Take a look at it.
This look good too. Damn, y'all, look at that. It looks way better in person. What you think, E? Yeah, mine's.
You tried to make it just look like the Lamborghini on your picture.
Yeah. It look real good though. Look at this, y'all. Damn.
Better than you thought?
Way better than I thought. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Damn.
Everyone that has come by the shop, delivery guys, my wife, everyone that has come by has been like, holy cow, what's that?
Really?
Yeah.
What?
It's gonna get so much attention. Just
I know. I didn't even realize it was like this. Yo, this is sick. Damn. Look at that. So yeah, guys, this is what it is. We got the carbon fiber tips on here. They kept that black. They have fixed a couple things we had on here. The dent's still there though, but you know they fixed a couple of things. We got the carbon fiber. Yeah, this looks real good, y'all. I love it. Love it. Oh, y'all put this back. Damn. That looks sick.